In today's video, I will teach you how to do tone mapping and shadow recovery in Gimp. Let's get started. Tone mapping, often referred to as shadow recovery, is a crucial step in image editing, especially when dealing with scenes lit by direct sunlight. This tutorial demonstrates a step-by-step process using Gimp's high bit depth and floating point colors or exposure operation to lighten shadows and midtones without compromising highlight details. This method provides a flexible and hand-tunable approach, making it a powerful tool for non-destructive image editing. First, open the image with Gimp and assign the sRGB file and convert it to 32-bit color point linear position. Then make a copy of the base layer by duplicating it using the shortcut key Shift-Control-D. Then label it with +1 stop exposure composition. Then go to Colors, then Exposures, and apply the exposure on the duplicated layer to add 1 stop of positive exposure compensation. Then right-click on the layer, Mask, then Add Layer Mask. Then choose Grayscale Copy of Layer. Then check the Invert Mask. And to stretch contrast, click on the layer mask to select it for editing. Then go to Colors, Auto, then Stretch Contrast and apply it to the mask to bring the grayscale values back into the display range. Then fine-tune the mask as needed to achieve the desired tonal distribution. Optionally, perform additional adjustments like gamma correction or curves operation on the mask. Then make a new from visible layer to continue editing on the brightened image. And here are some useful tips and considerations. The first one is clipping negative channel values. If shadows are too light due to negative channel values, go to Colors then Exposure to set the black point and clip negative values. Then avoid using the stretch contrast if negative channel values are present, as it may produce unexpected results. The second one is handling useless information. Use the exposure method to set black and white points and clip unnecessary highlights and shadow information. For specular highlights, consider clipping the pixel values to eliminate useless information. The third one is restoring micro contrast. Inverse masks may slightly flatten the micro contrast. Use edge-respecting blur filters like Gimp's Gimmick Bilateral Smooth Filter to restore micro contrast without introducing halos. The fourth one is expanding the dynamic range. Ensure that the base layer is stretched to its maximum dynamic range using the stretch contrast before applying positive exposure compensation. And the last one is artistic considerations. The procedure is especially effective for scenes with a pronounced tonal difference between highlights and shadows. Experiment with fine-tuning and additional adjustments based on your artistic intentions for the image. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.